Hello, future money masters. Your go-to spot for crushing personal finance. If you're a broke college kid dreaming of free cash back on pizza runs or building credit without the drama, buckle up. Today, we're spilling the tea on the best credit cards for students in 2026. No fluff, just real deals from pros like NerdWallet and Credit Karma. Imagine earning rewards on Netflix binges or gas for road trips. Yeah, it's possible. We will hit the top picks, killer perks, and hacks to snag one. New here? Smash that subscribe and let's level up your wallet game. Picture this. You're graduating, applying for your dream apartment, but bam, bad credit slams the door. Don't let that be you. In 2026, with skyrocketing tuition and ramen budgets, a student card is your secret weapon. It builds credit fast, unlocking better loans or jobs later. Earn cash back on stuff you buy anyway, like late-night snacks. No credit history? No problem. These cards approve based on your student vibe. What if I told you paying on time could skyrocket your score to 700 by senior year? Experts at Experian swear by it. Match it to your life. Foodie? Go dining rewards. Traveler? Skip foreign fees. Zero annual costs keep it real. This isn't just plastic, it's your financial glow-up. Ready for the perks? Let's dive in. Ever wished your debit card gave back? Student cards do. In 2026, they're loaded with goodies for campus chaos. Think 3% cash on dining and streaming. Turn expenses into epic savings like funding your next concert ticket. No annual fees? Boom! Free to own. Snag intro bonuses, say $50 for a quick spend. Building credit? It's automatic with on-time pays. Free fraud alerts keep hackers away. Study abroad? No foreign fees mean stress-free swipes. Cashback match doubles your haul year one, game changer. Bankrate says they dodge debt pitfalls with smart limits. Easier approval than adult cards. Use for coffee runs, pay off, habits that win. Who's excited? Capital One Quicksilver Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. Want simple? Quicksilver's your jam. Flat 1.5% cash on everything. No category juggling, just pure ease for busy students. $50 bonus post $100 spent. No fees whatsoever. APR 19.9% to 29.99%. Credit Karma digs its no-brainer setup. Redeem anytime, no mins. Extra warranty on buys? Yes. Builds credit monthly reports. Varying spends? This handles it. Students love easy approval with enrollment proof. Swipe for books or Ubers, earn more than zilch. Why settle for debit? Upgrade now. Capital One Savor Student Cash Rewards Credit Card drumroll. Our #1 champ, Capital One Savor Student. Unlimited 3% back on dining, fun nights, streaming, and groceries. Hello, dorm feasts. 1% everywhere else, no limits. Score $50 bonus after $100 spent in months. Zero fees, annual or foreign. Perfect for that Euro trip. APR 19.99% to 29.99%, but pay full and it's irrelevant. Autoline boosts for good vibes. Experian calls it a rewards beast. App tracks everything seamlessly. Spend $500 on bonuses monthly? That's $180 free yearly. Apply with Student ID Quick Yes for most. If you're the social butterfly, this is your match. Epic, right? Discover it. Student cashback, get ready for twists. Discover it student with 5% on quarterly rotates. Up to $1,500. Activate and win. 2026 categories? Groceries, gas, student staples. 1% otherwise. Year 1 match doubles it all. No fees. Intro 0%, a PR 6 months. Forbes hails the bonus bonanza. Free FICO scores monthly. 18 plus students, ID ready, approved. Late pay forgiven first time. Seasonal shoppers, this sleigh's back to school. App alerts keep you sharp. Who's activating? Fuel your life. 2% at gas and eats, $1,000 quarterly, then 1%. Unlimited 1% rest. Match year one. Double fun. Fee-free, 0% intro 6 months. NerdWallet's pick for daily grind. Auto end-of-year boost. Monthly credit reports. Online apply easy. Commuters or foodies? Save huge on pizza parties. Free card replays overnight. Don't miss out. Wanderlust alert. Unlimited 1.5 points per buck. Cash in for trips. 2 5K bonus post $1,000 spend. $250 value. No fees. 0% intro 15 cycles. Credit Karma's travel fave. Points eternal. Boost up 75% with preferred rewards. Student status applies. Book flights, hotels, dream big. Credit newbie? Chase Rise gives 1.5% everywhere. $25 autopay bonus, no fee. Chase account boosts approval. APR 26.99%. Bank rates build tool. Auto increases, monthly reports. Entry-level hero. Rough start? Deposit $49 to $200 for $200 limit. No rewards but credit builds lightning fast. No fee, potential upgrades. Wallet Hub's bad credit fix. Refunds for good pays. Curious if you qualify? 18 plus in school, check. ID, SSN, item needed. No history? Fine. Jobs or allowances as income? Online app with transcripts. High student approvals. Pre-qual first. Small uses build it. You got this. Fee traps? Late hits $40. Ouch. High APRs if lingering. Skip transfer fees. No annual rules. 4 and 3%. Avoid non-students. Term scan essential. Stay smart. Cash out easy. Credits checks. Points for trips cards. No mins on winners. App track. Activate max. Redeem smart. Value up. Payments. 35% score boost. Under 30% use. Keep open. Free monitors. History gold for future. Score soar. Safe squad. App alerts. Zero liability. Chips. Contactless. Virtual nums online. Lock lost cards. Peace. Averages 20 to 25%. Pay full, no worry. 0% intros big buys. Calc if balance. Smart play. No fee must. Chip Europe ready. Notify travel. Emergency swipes. Global win. App track spends. Alert set. Fixed buys only. Impulse no. Tools pair. Budget boss. 6 to 12 months? Better limits. Unsecured grad. Keep open. Level up. Max out? No? Mispays? Drama. Ignore bills. Too many apps. Bonus chase blind. Wise up. 2026 vibes? Crypto rewards? AI budgets. Eco perks. Mental health aids. Stay tuned here. WIU, that's your roadmap to the best student cards in 2026. Rewards, credit boosts, and zero regrets. Pick one, use wisely, and watch your finances thrive. Which one's calling your name? Comment below, like if this helped, and subscribe for more hacks. Bell on for next drops. Thanks for tuning into the Financial Basics. Catch you soon.